Hey guys, Dan here from Decolo 3D Prints. Gonna jump right in with an install video in semi-real time for the Klein ModBox to Ryobi Link adapter plates. Here's a quick inspection of what to expect of the left and right plates. Note the small R designating the right side in the bottom corner. Then we have each lockdown bracket, which has two embedded M5 nuts in them, with the indentation just in case you're planning on using these with the ModBox half-size boxes instead of the full-size box. First thing we're going to want to do is lay out the plates to get an idea of where to put the lockdown bars that we're going to place. Once we eye it up, we can insert the plate into the slots, slide it back, and start to tighten down the M5 by 14mm bolts. If you're close, but the holes are not exactly in line with each other, you can take the Allen wrench and just kind of help slide the lockdown bar to align the holes. If you're completely off, you might want to slide the adapter plate back out and move the adapter plate lockdown bar a little bit further over. Once the adapter plate holes are lined up with the lockdown bar holes, we can go ahead and take the M5 by 14mm bolts, drop them into the slots, and start to tighten them down. Once both adapter plates are tightened, make sure there's no gap between them. You can do this by going ahead and squeezing the center diamonds together if there is a gap. Go ahead and give your installation the mandatory wiggle, making sure everything is tight. Then, go ahead and pick whichever Ryobi Link full-size or half-size box you choose and place it on top. Push down to lock it in place, and you're good to go. To release your Ryobi Link box from the top of the mod box, simply do as it was designed and just press the release button on the front of the Ryobi Link. At this point, our installation is complete. Thank you so much for watching to the end, and I hope this install video was useful for you. I'd also like to thank you for putting up with the way that I say Ryobi versus Ryobi or Ryobi, which I have heard people say in person. Either way, thank you again. For anything else, other cool tool ideas, or just generic input, feel free to comment below, like, subscribe, and keep on bringing your ideas to life.